Can you imagine uploading 5 videos a day to YouTube without showing your face and letting artificial intelligence do all the work for you? Today I'm going to show you my exact system, step by step, so you can monetize your skills and use social media to your advantage. Get ready to copy it exactly as it is. Hi, I'm Lola. Welcome to the first video of Cash Loop. Right now, millions of people are creating content without ever appearing on camera. Thanks to AI, you can have scripts, voices, images, and videos in seconds without recording yourself or hiring anyone. My initial goal is to publish 1 video a day, showing my entire process of building a digital business. I'll talk about personal finance, how to use AI for your life or your business, how to boost your productivity, and much more. This is the step-by-step I'm following to make this plan real, and you can do it too. Step 5 is definitely my favorite. Step 0. Choose your main platform. If you're starting alone, it's key to focus your strategy on just one social network. Later, you'll be able to scale and repurpose your content. For this example, I'll use YouTube, but the process works for any platform. Step 1. Define your idea. You need a topic with demand. For example, tutorials about artificial intelligence, digital marketing, or online education. Use tools like Google Trends or vidIQ to see what people are searching for. And here's an extra trick. You can also go to ChatGPT and type this prompt. Act as an expert in YouTube content creation who knows all the secrets to monetize as fast and virally as possible. Based on the data, what are the topics with extremely high demand and low supply, combined with the best monetization potential by region where I can maximize my earnings with the same effort? Present the information in a table. This will give you clear and profitable ideas to start today. Step 2. Write your script with AI. Go to YouTube and spend 15 minutes analyzing the most viral videos in your niche. Once you identify winning ideas, go to ChatGPT and write something like, "Write me a 10-minute script on this topic. Be inspired by this content." Don't forget a strong hook at the beginning and a clear call to action at the end. Review and adapt the tone to make it sound human. You can add fun facts or real examples to keep people engaged. If you'd like to generate additional income with the help of AI, like this video or leave a comment with topics you'd like to learn. Step 3. Generate the voiceover. Use artificial intelligence to create a realistic voice. You'll hear about tools like 11 Labs or Revoicer, but my favorite is definitely Google AI Studio. You can generate free voices in any language. It's very easy to use and has one of the most natural voices I've found. Export the audio in high quality. Step 4. Create the video. Now you need images or clips to go with your script. Use stock libraries like Pexels, Pixabay, or Canva. For unique scenes, try Runway or Leonardo.ai to generate AI video clips. Edit everything in CapCut or Canva. Voice, screen text, and visual clips. My favorite combo is generate the prompt and base image in ChatGPT, create visual versions in Leonardo.ai, and produce the video in Kling.ai. Step 5. Publish and automate in 5 different languages. This one is my favorite. Remember in Step 1 how we researched the perfect combo between topic and audience? Now choose 3 or 4 additional languages to replicate the value content you already created. This lets you reach countries with the highest YouTube monetization. Use AI in Canva to optimize your title and thumbnail. Upload your videos. It doesn't matter if you publish 5 videos a day or 5 a week. What matters is consistency. YouTube loves consistency. The more you post, the more you learn about your audience and what they really want to watch. And that's it. That's how I make 5 videos a day without recording myself. If you want me to share my favorite prompts, templates, and tools, subscribe to my channel. Very soon, I will start sharing everything I learn as I grow my channel with AI. See you in the next loop.